Let me tell you something very honestly, which people don't say clearly, that installing your hair system is not the finishing line, it is just the starting point. Most of the men think once the hair system is on, the job is done. But the truth is, what you do after installation, it decides everything. If you want to make your hair system look more natural, feel comfortable, and last longer, then maintenance is not an option. And that's why today in this video, I'm going to explaining you the whole concept of maintenance so that you can make your hair system last longer. And trust me, this is only the one thing which will decide that your hair system will look real. Now let's understand why do you need service after 15 to 30 days. Because this is just not about your hairs, it is about your scalp and your bond. Because it is just not about the hairs, it is also about the scalp and the bond. Your skin is always active. It produces oil, sweat. That skin also get built up by the time. And all of these affects the hold of your hair system. Some people go to gym daily. Some people sweats a lot. And some people have oily skin. And so you are thinking once you will fix it and it's done. No, it doesn't work like that. And when you do that, don't guess. Just stay in control. Now let me explain you properly what happens in a service. This doesn't mean removing and put it back. At Yala Hair Salon, a full service means a refresh. First, we carefully remove the system. No damage, no pulling. Then we clean the skin properly, remove the adhesive and the dead skin. After that, we clean your scalp properly, which is very important. Healthy scalp means better bond plus better comfort. Then we apply a fresh adhesive based on your lifestyle, and finally we refit and style it perfectly. And we also ask small things like, are you sweating more, are you going to gym, any itching, because small details matters. Now let's talk about the third point, what will happen if you delay your service. So first thing is the adhesive will start to building up. Second, you may get a bad smell. Third, your hold will become weak, and the worst part is your scalp get irritated and your system start losing its quality faster. In 1 week everything will look perfect, but if you stretch it for too long, after 5 to 6 weeks it will not stay the same, and not in a good way. So the goal is not to look good for only one day. The goal is to feel comfortable and confident every day. Now let's talk about the most important part, the UAE weather factor. Here is heat, humidity and too much sweating in UAE. The environment directly affects your bond. So maintenance is just not a suggestion, it's a mandatory. When you follow a proper schedule, you don't worry about your hair system in meetings and going out or going to gym. You will feel secure and confident will come directly. And Yala Hair Salon, we will guide you honestly according to your routine and your environment. Because for us, maintenance means protection of your investment. Now let's talk about the conclusion of this video. At the end of the day, consistency builds confidence. If you maintain your hair system on time, you don't have to worry about your hair again and again. You don't have to stress in a bright light or going out. You will feel normal and confident in your life, because 15 to 20 days rule is just not for cleaning. It is about the control over your looks and your life and how much time your hair system will last. So don't treat your hair system as a one-time fix. Treat it properly. Because if your maintenance is right, your hair system will look natural and you will feel confident in your life. So alright guys, now let's end this video. If this video is helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe Yala Hair Salon official YouTube channel. And if you also want to book your free consultation at Yala Hair Salon, then you can contact on the number which is provided in the description. Our branches are available at Al Mamzar, Sheikh Zayed Road, and now in Abu Dhabi too. So alright, now let's end this video and I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, take care.